Okay. Hi.
Hi guys, I'm making
Brownies.
Then I just put sugar in.
No, this is oats flour.
I put oats flour on it.
What is the brown one? Dates.
Peach.
Date syrup. Go, mix pa.
Okay, so done already. So sticky. Yeah.
Mar-
Say hi sa video, Yabi.
Yabi, say hi sa video.
Hi. Sorry, Yabi.
Same sa?
Same siya. Same siya. More.
More? Everything.
Everything. So heavy.
You can do it.
I can that how to do it.
Yeah, Daddy was helping you before, right?
And I how to do it.
Yeah, because you're a big girl.
No, I'm baby.
Yeah.
Goo goo gaga. That's a baby too. Goo goo gaga, daddy.
Okay.
Siya ate, that's a baby robot.
Sabi?
Yes,
Mm.
baby robot.
Yeah. Mix pa.
So,
Sticky. I'll help you. So use this one na lang. This one is stronger. This one. Yan. Ayan.
okay.
Diba?
What's that? That's egg.
No egg. No egg. Egg for the recipe. Just this one. We're gonna put some chocolate later. Smells what?
Like chocolate. Like chocolate. Smell like chocolate. Hey, I should go home back go.
You want to taste the dates?
Yeah.
Finger.
Smell like chocolate.
Manas mo dun sa tawag natin. Okay, mix mo pa, baby.
Dry. Oh,
Mix pa.
mix.
Careful!
Oh no, sorry. Okay, I'll wait. Say the mountain.
Ang punas mo. Ipapunas mo here. Here. Okay.
Let's press.
Okay, mix.
I can do it already.
Very good.
I'm much more good because I know how to do it. This guy's a small boy. Have it at yesterday.
Okay, very good.
Punch together, punch, make together, road together, marry together.
Hulog ka. Oh, punas.
Yeah.
Ang baker. Ay, madumi yan. Okay. What's this, Robel? What's this? What's this? Butter.
Nanny.
Butter? Bunny? Yeah, wait a bit. I-ano na.
Spoon.
I'm gonna get the spoon. Oh, yeah.
I'll get it. Oh, I'll get it. I'll put it. Oh, get it!
Mix
You're
it
not
in.
doing that. Sister, how sticky. So sticky already.
You can do it.
Do it. I can do it. Oh, good do me. Chef, let's do me.
It's okay. You can punas later. Here.
Best come. You put together.
Yeah, para
I can do it. I can do just you can do the big one.
spatula. What's this? Spa? Spatula.
What's that mean?
This is you use for cooking, for baking, but mainly for baking. To scrape things like this, see? Very good. More.
Machinana pati. Fruit salad. Yummy. With bunny. Money.
Money. Fruit salad. Yummy.
Bunny. Oh, sweet. Okay. It's okay, Mommy, di ba?
Yes po, it's okay po.
I can wipe it talaga to you. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay.
Enough.
Okay.
Together and mix. I can do it already.
Okay. Gusto mo everything has chocolate or some will not have chocolate? Or everything will have chocolate?
Everything have chocolate.
Okay.
No tea. No everything chocolate.
Not everything chocolate?
Only one piece.
Okay.
And then now eat bite. One bite.
One bite. Okay. One bite of chocolate? Okay, part 2. Say bye!
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow in the next video. Let's go!